Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we learned about second order derivative. हम सेकंड ऑर्डर एंड डेरिवेटिव के बारे में कुछ पढ़े थे. बहुत ही सिंपल था. एक बार डेरिवेटिव करते हैं उसी तरह से दूसरी बार डेरिवेटिव करना है और इसका सिंबल है डी स्क्वायर वाई अपन डी एक्स स्क्वायर और y2 और y डबल डैश और f डबल डैश, ये सारे उसके सिंबल हैं. तो ठीक है. नाउ टुडे आई टेक एक्सरसाइज 5.7 एग्जांपल नंबर 1. यहां पे सब में हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. दैट मींस वी हैव टू फाइंड डी स्क्वायर वाई अपन डी एक्स स्क्वायर, ओके, और y2 और y डबल डैश. सी हियर y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Derivative of x square, that is 2x, and derivative of 3x, that is 3. Now see here, again derivative of this function with respect to x, then we get this side d square y upon dx square equal to derivative of 2x plus 3, that is only 2. तो ये हमारा सम कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.7, दैट इज 2 y equal to x raised to 20. We have to here same find d square y upon dx square. See here, first derivative dy by dx equal to, see here, power, now in coefficient 1 power less, that is 20 into x raised to 90. Now again derivative of this function with respect to x, that is d square y upon dx square equal to 20 into 19x raised to 80. तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा 380 into x raised to 80. तो ये सम हमारा खत्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.7, एग्जांपल नंबर 3. y equal to x into cos x. See here, x into cos x. Here we use multiplication rule. See here, first derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Here multiplication rule, first derivative of x, that is 1. At that time cos function as it is plus. Now x as it is and derivative of cos function which is minus sin x. Okay, तो ये हमारा पहली बार डेरिवेटिव खत्म हो गया dy by dx. Now I take again derivative with respect to x, that is d square y by dx square, d square y upon dx square. Now derivative of cos function which is minus sin x, and minus, here we use multiplication rule. Derivative of x, that is 1. At that time sin function as it is plus, now x as it is, and derivative of sin function which is cos. Now open the bracket, then here minus sin x plus x into cos x. Minus sin, that is 2 times. I write first x cos x minus 2 times sin x. ओके, तो ये सम हमारा खत्म हो गया. अगला सम है y equal to log x, first time derivative dy by dx. Derivative of log x, we know the formula 1 upon x. Now again derivative with respect to x, that is d square y upon dx square equal to derivative of 1 upon x. We know derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square into derivative of x, which is always 1. Okay, then minus 1 upon x square is our answer. Next example of exercise 5.7, example number 5. Y equal to x cube into log x. See here, there are two functions. Then here we use product rule. Then dy by dx equal to first derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. At that time log x as it is plus. Now x cube as it is and derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. Then here dy by dx equal to 3x square into log x plus x cube upon x, that is x square. Now again derivative of this function. Okay, then here d square y upon dx square. See here, again derivative, then d square y upon dx square equal to, same here, multiplication rule, 3 outside into derivative of this function, but there are two multiplication function, then we use product rule. Derivative of x square, that is 2x at that time, log x as it is plus now x square as it is, and derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x plus derivative of x square, that is 2x. Okay, now here I multiply with 3, then 3 to the 6x into log x. One time x cut, then 3 multiply with x, then here 3x plus here 2x. 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. Then our answer is 6x log x plus 5x. X is common, then in bracket 6 log x plus 5. ओके, तो ये सम हमारा खत्म हो गया. अगला सम में लेता हूं जो कि है एक्सरसाइज 5.7 का एग्जांपल नंबर 6. 5.7 का 6, y इक्वल टू e रेज टू x into sin 5x. ओके, हमको फाइंड करना है d square y by dx square. See here, first derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to, here there are two functions. Okay, then we use product rule. First derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x at that time, second function sin 5x as it is, plus now e raised to x as it is, and derivative of now sin function which is cos 5x into derivative of 5x, that is 5. Okay, then we get dy by dx equal to first term as it is, e raised to x sin 5x plus here 5 into e raised to x cos 5x. See here, from these two terms e raised to x is common. See here, and therefore dy by dx equal to e raised to x is common. Then in bracket sin 5x plus 5 into cos 5x. Now again derivative of this function with respect to x, therefore d square y upon dx square, d square y upon dx square equal to, same here, multiplication rule. First derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x at that time, bracket as it is, plus now e raised to x as it is, and derivative of bracket, that means derivative of sin function which is cos 5x into derivative of 5x, that is 5, plus here 5 as it is, derivative of cos function which is minus sin 5x into derivative of 5x, that is 5. Now from these two terms e raised to x is common, then here e raised to x common, then bracket sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x minus 5 into 5, minus 25 sin 5x equal to e raised to x bracket 5 cos x plus 5 cos 5x, that is 10 times cos 5x, and see here sin 5x minus 25, that means minus 24 sin 5x. ओके, अगला सम में लेता हूं 9 नंबर का जो कि थोड़ा इजी है. देख लेते हैं कैसा आएगा. एग्जांपल नंबर 9 of 5.7, and y equal to log of log x. Here we have to find d square y by dx square. See here, first time derivative dy by dx, first derivative of log function. Here outer function is log and inner function is also log. Then we use chain rule. First derivative of log function which is 1 upon log x into derivative of this log function which is 1 upon x, then dy by dx is 1 upon x into log x. Now second time derivative d square by dx square equal to, we know the derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square. Here x as x into log x. Okay, then derivative of 1 upon x equal to minus 1 upon x square, that means x into log x whole square into derivative of this x, that means derivative of x into log x. Then here we use multiplication rule. First derivative of x is 1 at that time log x as it is plus now x as it is and derivative of log x which is 1 upon x. Then our answer is minus, here x cancel, then in numerator 1 plus log x, in denominator x into log x whole square which is our final answer. ओके ये सम जो मैंने लिखा है 6 नंबर का उसी तरह का 7 नंबर का सम है जो मैं आपको होमवर्क में देने वाला हूँ 7 नंबर और सम है y इक्वल टू e रेज़ टू 6x इनटू cos 3x। तो ये सम आपको होमवर्क में देने जा रहा हूँ। ओके तो ये सम है होमवर्क, ठीक है। खास अगर कोई दिक्कत हो तो मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए, ठीक है। Now I take some more example of exercise 5.7. Example number 11. If y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, here we have to prove that d square y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. ऐसा ही सम हमने कल पढ़ा था। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Okay, derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and derivative of this side 5 as it is derivative of cos function which is minus sin x, and here minus 3 derivative of sin function which is cos x. तो ये हमारा dy by dx complete हो गया। Now again derivative with respect to x, then d square y by dx square equal to, see here, minus 5 as it is and derivative of sin function which is cos, and this side minus 3 derivative of cos function which is minus, then here plus sin x. Now from these two terms minus common, then bracket 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. See here 5 cos x minus 3 sin x which is y, and therefore d square y by dx square equal to minus y. Now minus y take this side, then d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. That is our result. Okay, now I take one example 12. Okay, y equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. मतलब यहां पे सिर्फ dy स्क्वायर y पर dx स्क्वायर फाइंड नहीं करना है, लेकिन उसको y की टर्म में भी लाना है, x की टर्म हमको चाहिए नहीं। देखिए कैसे करेंगे, तो आंसर यहां से स्टार्ट करता हूं। y इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स x, first I take cos function both side, then here cos y equal to x. Now derivative of x with respect to y, मतलब यहां पे मैं क्या फाइंड करने वाला हूं, ये जो है dx मतलब x है उसका डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, मतलब मैं यहां फाइंड करने वाला हूं dx by dy. Okay, derivative of this function with respect to y, then derivative of cos function which is minus sin y into derivative of y with respect to y, that is 1, and this side derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy. Then dx by dy we get minus sin y, and therefore we say that dy by dx which is inverse of dx upon dy, that is minus 1 upon sin y, and minus sin y minus cosec y. Okay, now again derivative of dy by dx with respect to x, then here we get d square y upon dx square equal to minus derivative of cosec function which is minus cosec into cot, then here minus minus plus cosec y into cot y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Now we already know value of dy by dx, that is minus cosec y, then I put here minus cosec y, then here cosec y into cot y into dy by dx, that is minus cosec y, equal to minus cosec y into cosec y, that is minus cosec square y into cot y. See here, we have to already find d square y by dx square, but answer, see here, answer which is independent of x, that means in terms of y alone. Okay, y की टर्म में ही हम आंसर लाए हैं, जो कि बहुत अच्छा सम है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, एग्जांपल नंबर 13 ऑफ 5.7, y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Then here we have to show that x square y2 plus x into y1 plus y equal to 0. Now I start from y. Here y equal to 3 into cos of log x plus 4 into sine of log x. Now first derivative of y with respect to x, then here dy by dx or y1. Okay, 3 derivative cos function which is minus sine of log x into derivative of log x which is 1 upon x. Now derivative of second term, 4 as it is, derivative of sine function which is cos of log x into derivative of log x which is 1 upon x. Now see here, in both term denominator is x, then I multiply whole equation by x, then here x into y1 x cut, then minus 3 sine log x plus 4 cos log x. Now derivative of this function, again derivative of this function with respect to x. See here, we use multiplication rule, then x as it is, derivative of y1 which is y2 plus, now derivative of x, that is 1, at that time y1 as it is. Now opposite side minus 3 as it is, derivative of sine function which is cos of log x, and derivative of log x which is 1 upon x. Now derivative of second term, derivative of plus 4, derivative of cos function which is minus, then I write here minus sine of log x upon derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. Okay, same here in denominator, in both term denominator is x, then now whole equation multiply with x, then here x square y2 plus x y1 equal to minus 3 cos log x minus 4 sine log x, minus 4 sine log x. See here, now minus common from both term, then here minus common, then in bracket 3 cos log x plus 4 sine log x. But see here, 3 cos log x plus 4 sine log x which is y, then I put here y, then x square y, this side as it is, x square y2 plus x y1 equal to minus, and bracket equal to minus y. Now this minus y take this side, then x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0 which is our required result. ओके, जो कि बहुत ही इजी सम था. ओके, सिर्फ 2 बार डेरिवेटिव करना है और आगे क्या करना है, x से, x जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर में है तो उस एग्जांपल नंबर 16 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.7 जो कि बहुत ही इजी है. e रेज़ टू y ब्रैकेट x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 1, तो हमको प्रूव करना है d स्क्वायर y अपन dx स्क्वायर इक्वल टू dy अपन dx होल स्क्वायर. Now I start from this function. Now e raised to y x plus 1 equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे पहले क्या फाइंड करेंगे, dy by dx. See here, e raised to 1 function is e raised to y, second function is x plus y. Then here we use multiplication rule. First derivative of e raised to y, that is e raised to y into derivative of y which is dy by dx. at that time x plus 1 as it is plus now e raised to y as it is, and derivative of x plus 1, derivative of x, that is 1, and derivative of 1 is 0, and opposite side derivative of 1 is 0. now e raised to y कॉमन एंड कैंसल, e raised to y कभी 0 होने वाला नहीं है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हो गया dy by dx into x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 1 take opposite side, then dy by dx equal to into x plus 1 equal to minus 1. now take x plus 1 in denominator, then dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. मैंने इसको दे दिया रिजल्ट 1. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको जरूरत है dy by dx होल स्क्वायर की. तो dy by dx का होल स्क्वायर क्या होगा? तो इसका स्क्वायर होगा 1 upon x plus 1 होल स्क्वायर. now again derivative of this function with respect to x, then d square y upon dx square equal to, we know that derivative of minus 1 upon derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square. then here derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square, that is x plus 1 whole square, into derivative of x, that is 1, and derivative of 1 which is 0, here minus minus plus, then I write 1 upon x plus 1 whole square equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. but 1 upon x plus 1, that is dy by dx. then I write d square y upon dx square. also this bracket write as minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square, but minus 1 upon x plus 1, that is dy by dx, is dy by dx whole square. तो d square y upon dx square equal to dy by dx whole square. तो ये हमारा रिजल्ट कंप्लीट हो गया. ठीक है, तो आज का लेक्चर यहाँ तक रखते हैं. बहुत अच्छे सम हमने पढ़े हैं. ठीक है.